welcome to a record of this. I messed up the drawings of it, so in the first video I'm going to be talking about the 2-day graph, the tropical weather outlook, not the Hurricane Center, and it's in the Pacific, and you see there's a 10% outlook for the Pacific. What it means is that it's a lower than 40%, and there's no chance of any of these. These are very working for me, but I will keep an eye on that today. And for the tropical outlook charts, an area of a disturbance weather located more than 1,000 miles southwest of the southern tip of Baja California Peninsula is producing a large area of disorganizing showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are generally favorable for some slow development of the system over the weekend into early next week. While it moves westward to west-northwestward at 10-15 miles per hour. And its formation is close to 48 hours is a low 10%. And 5 days is a low 20%. So that means it won't really be winning that much, but there's still a possibility that it might. And for the Atlantic, it's same thing, 10% chance. And there's a ads video, but just a weather system moving from the southeast onto the Atlantic, but this might collide to make it move into a tropical system, which may up it, but never know with these hurricanes in July into August. And for the Central Pacific, no tropical system is not expected for during the next 48 hours. And now to the NWS radio. You can see there's some rain in northwest and mainly northwest, west, and the southwest. So the pockets all over the place, and this is what I was talking about. This weather system coming from Mexico all the way up here. And what it said that I think the hurricane disturbance is around here, but I'm not too sure. But correct me if I'm on, and I think this hurricane system will help it, but over here won't. But it's moving there, so it's possibly chance. Okay, you know what I did? Yeah. And now we're talking about the El Nino and the La Nina watch. Then El Nino means that in 1 month, sea surface temperatures number 0.5 Celsius or greater serve in the Nino 3.4 region of the equatorial Pacific Ocean, 5 north, minus 5 south, 120 degrees west, and 170 degrees west. So in that 3 months ocean in Nino in that ONI does it meet in response typically associated with El Nino is always over with the still Pacific Ocean. See in the Enzo, in the La Nina condition is same thing basically. And for the National Weather Service, you should see there's some air quality alerts still in parts of Indiana, in Virginia, Kentucky, and in Indiana. Right, there's pockets right here, in here. And there's red flag warnings and excessive heat warnings in the northwest still. It's going to be a long time for that. And for the southwest is still flooding, still with that main system I talked about, and which is moving still there, and what's it, and they're probably done with that drought now, so it's not surprising. And a fire weather watch in Nevada and parts of California from the northwest. So let's hope there won't be any fires, but there's warm thunderstorms within there. So go to the model viewer and you can see that it's relatively hot in parts of Canada and northwest and the southeast with the rain, but there's some cold coming out here, coming to the northwest, and there's really cold in the southeast and the Midwest and the parts of the of Texas and Midwest in the southeast. So that's why it's around 6 degrees. So it's 6 degrees below average and 3 to 4 degrees below average, and it's 6 degrees above average. Sorry about this. I'm really trouble. And now we go to, as we go move it seems it's the heart is going over there to move us now. The rest is going over there. The good spot there will be surprising. And for the wind outlook, there's a typhoon and matter of what Taiwan is. And let me zoom out. Of China. It's in where Taiwan and China. They get probably seen it was the wind outlook. And it's located 23.3 north and 125.9 east. 22 knots for kilometers per hour. And maximum sustained winds have decreased to 85 knots, 105 kilometers per hour. And again, it's favorable for the system to be straightened on Friday. Reach peak intensity of 90 knots and 165 kilometers. As well as of Yamiya Mikoto Island on Friday afternoon. The systems that weaken slowly weaken as it approaches the eastern coast of China. This weekend and becomes a tropical storm before making landfall south of the city of Nikbio in China's Hain. I mean, it's on Sunday morning. I put that really bad. Remind me. Good with name and stuff. And update it's an update from today. And now we go to the forecast models, which would be means I didn't listen low. So you can see winds is still in the southwest, the same there. Now I've been in this wind in the Midwest, but could probably help with the dry season, but we may not get to see much rain next month. But our climate is relatively hot on week 6 and for week 1. Yeah, screw that. It's not letting me showing the comment because it's doing site. Sorry about that. But the power outages in California is the most with 19,257. And the second highest is Florida with 9,440. And the lowest is Michigan, 3,287 power. So that will be all from today's video. I hope you like it and please consider subscribing. Bye.